Welcome to aminacademy.com. In Maths Olympiad, let us discuss about congruent triangles. Look at this figure. These two triangles are congruent because respective sides are equal. Here, AB equal DE, BC equal EF, and AC equal DF. So this is a congruent triangle for basic criteria, that is SSS. All sides, respective sides are equal. Now we will discuss about what is that congruent triangles. Congruent triangles are triangles that are identical in both size and shape, meaning all three corresponding sides are all three corresponding angles are equal. That is, respective sides as well as respective angles are equal. These triangles can be rotated, reflected, or translated without changing their size, allow them it to fit exactly on top of each other. Key criteria for determining if triangles are congruent include SSS, that is side, 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 SAS, side, angle, side, and ASA, angle, side, angle, and RHS, right angles, hypotenuse, side. These are the criteria. What makes a triangle congruent? Two triangles are congruent if all three corresponding sides are equal. This is triple S rule. Look at this figure. AB is equal PQ and BC equal PQ RP and AC equal PQ. That all three sides or respective sides are equal. Then in SSS side rule states that the two triangles are congruent if all three sides of one triangle are equal to the length of the corresponding three sides of the other triangle. This means if you know the length of all three sides of for two triangles and they all match up, then you can conclude the triangles are identical in shape and size even without knowing anything about their angles. Without angles also you can see if sides are equal, these are congruent. Next, look at this. Two corresponding sides and the included angle are equal. This is called SAS rule. Look at this. Here, OB is equal to OA and OD equal OC and angle included angle BOC equal AOD. These are congruent. We can write suppose here OB equal OA and OC equal OD and angle BOC is congruent to AOD. Then these triangles OBC is congruent to OAD. The SAS side angle side congruence rule states that two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle, the angle between those two sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two sides and the included angle of the triangle are equal. This means if you have two triangles where two side lengths and the angle sandwiched between them makes their triangles are identical. Next criteria, the two corresponding angles and the included sides are equal. ASA rule. Look at this figure. Here this triangle are congruent to this triangle because look at here. This side is equal to this side and angle, this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. So this is criteria of ASA rule. The ASA angle side angle rule states that two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side, the side located between the two angles, are equal to the corresponding angles and included side of the other triangle. If two triangles have two pairs of congruent angles and the sides between those angles are also congruent, then the triangles are congruent, meaning they have the same shape and size. Next criteria is that if in two right angled triangles, the hypotenuse of one side are equals, that is RHS rule. Look at this figure. This side BC is equal to YZ and hypotenuse AC is equal here XZ and included angle B is equal to Y, that is equal to 90. The RHS right angle hypotenuse side rule states that two right angled triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and one of the legs, a side of one triangle, are equal to the hypotenuse and the corresponding leg of the other triangle. This rule is also known as hypotenuse leg HL congruency. Therefore, it is exclusively applicable to right angled triangle. So far, we discussed about the congruent triangles. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.